Testing the video towards the beginning, riding around with my visor down. I see a buddy over there on a, it's like a Sportster or a Rebel, who knows what that is. But I am squinting around. We've got gloves, helmets, and that's it. I'm gonna go do some crazy shit. Dude's on a Segway. Okay. Pretty cool. Smoking a cigarette on a Segway. Oh shit, look at this car. That thing looks sick. What? Look at that sun visor on the outside. That is high tech. That is awesome, bro. I don't like the way this bike starts. It sounds like it can't breathe. It's like before it starts, it's like this hissing sound. I don't know what that is. Oh, he's got a fucking XSR, dude. I really like that bike. Okay. Do you think it's ever gonna go green for me? Nice. Okay, I like this street. It is very clear. I am going slow. Do not judge me. Oh, definitely not a good place for me to go. Oh. It was a neutral, how embarrassing. I hope there's like a back street here that allows me to get close to the river, aka man-made river from cement with no water. Okay. Embarrassing. Don't know what gear I'm in ever. North American Business Park. This is definitely not where I want to be. I want to be where that guy is walking over there. But I am now under the impression that it is illegal to go there. I wish I could do hooligan stuff, but I'm just not a hooligan. I wish I could just pop a wheelie right here. It's definitely illegal for me to go down there. But is it worth it? Phoenix Club. What is the price of the ticket for... What is this? Is it reckless driving if I do that? City Park. No motorized cycles, vehicles. Yo. That's as off-road as I'm gonna get. Or right here. This is all my off-road. This is what I bought the bike for. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Baby steps. Baby steps to a true off-road adventure. See, this is where it's nice right here. Like, I can cruise a little bit in second gear, and it's not gonna die on me. I don't have to press the throttle or the clutch, and I can just cruise, you know? Just go slow. Work on my slow skills. Slow skills is where it takes the most skills. Just kidding, I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Alright. Why did I turn my bike off? I don't know. Nice time to stretch my wrist. Oh, dude, I need to go in there. How can I go in there? Oh, what is going on here? Camera check. And what am I trying to do here? Okay. Second gear coasting. Oh shit, that was dangerous. I have never felt that in my life. My foot almost got caught on the floor. Holy shit. Oh my god. This is where the Rekluse Clutch is saving my ass right now. No trespassing. Violators will be prosecuted. Should we get out of here? Or should we go? It's much more fun to do this type of shit with a friend, so who knows? I don't want to get caught out here with some fucking meth heads and you get stabbed up and them take my 2 iPhones. So this is the extent of the adventure. This is my urban off-road experience. Yeah. Oh yeah, Svartpilen life. Let's go. Woo! That was fun. I wish I could go. How illegal? Like what can you get arrested for? What are they gonna do? How would they even know?
Nobody's gonna know.
How would they even know? Where would I even go? See, this would be a nice trail for me to go around. Just to ride down here. I don't see any signs, so this has to be like the property of Anaheim. No trespassing, violence will be prosecuted. So that definitely means something, you can't go there, but like, who is watching this place? Where am I, bro? Angel Stadium. That's too tight for me, bro. Handlebars are too wide. They need to be like right here. Yeah, man, I don't know. I feel like it would be a tight fit. Do I have big balls? Alright, let's try to get forward. Oh, this guy's not having it. He's looking at me and he's like, nope, you're not getting through. It's okay, I don't want to go through you anyway. Fucking wearing a mask in a car. That's how I know. That's how I know. He doesn't even know. Fucking hot today. I've already put 150 miles on this bike. I've had it for 2 weeks, not that much. I've taken it, I've ridden it around, like, I've rode it around maybe like 5 times. Just don't have time. I guess I have time, but it's just like, I'm not really going anywhere, you know? It's just riding around the city. I wish I had some friends to do some fucking hooligan shit with. I wish I knew how to pop a wheelie. I definitely don't want to loop this bike, so I am hesitant to practice wheelies on this bike. Maybe until I'm more comfortable with it. My idea or my plan is to buy maybe a cheap Grom or even an electric bike to practice wheelies on. Oh, what the fuck, bitch? That's how we died. See how that guy pulled out? See, when I start getting... Oh, he's on another one. I thought it was a stunt bike, but it was like a monster with the red cage. I thought it was a stunt cage. I thought he was about to pop a wheelie. None of these buildings look familiar. Oh shit. Oh, yeah. Satin topless. What is that? What is that place? Oh yeah, it's nice to have the breeze go in between my fucking, You know that area between your balls and your backside? Oh, dude. He's got an adventure bike. Drag knee, drag knee, drag knee. Nope. Yep, this guy stopped in the middle of nowhere. Oh my god, my wheel went up a little bit. This guy doesn't see me at all. Drag knee, drag knee, drag knee, drag knee, drag knee, drag knee. Hey guys, thanks for watching my first motovlog video. I didn't really know how to end the video, so I just wanted to hop in here and say thanks for watching. Cool.